Welcome back friends to another video of Medorrhinum. In this video I will elaborate something more on where I left in the last one. So I had narrated a case of a girl with PCOD. Let me complete that case. I left it in middle to show you different facets, the two extreme, the polarity of how that bad experience took her to this stage. Now in between these two edges, two polarities of this remedy, there comes another phase in middle. There is not a balance. Now in the last one we saw how in the night they seek for amusement, they seek for play. Okay, now in the daytime how they become, they are so much engrossed that past experience has had a very bad impact on them. They get attached to animals, they seek for love, and when they do not get it from their partner, from their family, from their friends, or due to some reason when they are cut off, like in that case how it happened that she got married and she had to stay with the in-laws, and the husband left from there to stay in Mumbai and she was staying in the village. So again she was cut off from the kind of attachment that she was looking for. So in such cases you must have, it very commonly happens with us that we keep milk for boiling and we are lost in our thoughts. We are not present in that situation. We are lost somewhere else. In children it happens, teacher is teaching, she asks a question and the child does not know what question is asked to him. So that is absent-minded, stands in one place and never accomplishes what he undertakes. So here that accomplishment is not there. Again delusion business could not be accomplished. So because of that bad impact of the past, they lose on their confidence, and due to that they land in a state where their intellectual faculties are not so active. And why they are not active? Because they are not being supported in the required manner from the environment. Alcoholism from timidity. Now timidity of what kind Medorrhinum has? Now this girl also, she took a lot of time to open up to me. I will tell you one more case now. There also timidity so remarkable. Timidity about appearing in public, timidity to talk in public. They do not understand how to behave and how to project their talents. They are very talented intellectual people, but when it comes to projection, they just shrink, they close themselves, and when such situation happens they become dull. Dullness, when it continues for a very long time, and when they the sensitivity of Medorrhinum, weeping when reprimanded, sadness from a harsh word, and last time we saw despair from smallest of criticism. These things they actually dull Medorrhinum more and more, and they go into absent-minded, they go into dullness and alcoholism from timidity. Now what is alcoholism? Alcohol is not just taking one time alcohol. Alcoholism, ism is always significant of a pathology. So out of their timidity they seek for a dependency, they seek for a stimulation from their environment in some form, and it becomes so often and so much to the extent that they day and night they just seek for it. That alcoholism with timidity means when somebody is asking them, they are not able to speak up what is going on inside their head because they are timid, and when they go into alcoholism they are able to express themselves over there. Like it could be chatting with another guy, it could be addiction, it could be a friend circle which is not suggested or supported by the society, or the family member do not approve of them. So that could also be alcoholism with timidity. Alcohol is something which is toxic to your body and you are overindulging in that. So this is out of the timidity, they cannot express, they seek outside, they become mentally as well as physically, the body is dependent on that for their own functioning. And confusion of mind as to their identity, that who am I, where am I, what am I. They are seeking for their identity but they do not find a channel. And then in the night when everybody is sleeping and when nobody is watching them, they indulge themselves in these kind of activities which are not good for them, which are not approved by people. So if you see in plumbum, they keep on brooding over it, but then in Medorrhinum they actually do it. Okay. Now this kind of, now in the daytime they are engrossed, they are becoming dull, they are into alcoholism. In the night time they are doing those acts which are prohibited or which are not supported, and this entire thing, it creates, these are two contradictory states which are just going on and on in the person. And when they go on, thought sexual at every woman he sees, he is meaning it shows that the person is productive, that person has lot of potential. But a woman he sees, they get sexual thought, they want to connect with the person, and woman meaning it shows that a person who is sensitive to their emotions, who understands, who provides that emotional support. So woman is the one who provides that emotional nourishment to anybody. So thought sexual at every woman he sees. So it is not just one person, at everyone they are just seeking out for that connection. Sadness from pollution. So as we saw that there is adultery in Medorrhinum, because they are not supposed to get into that such indulgences or such relationships, but the pollution is what? Pollution is something that is harming, that is toxic to your natural growth and your general well-being. So pollution is when we say those toxic gases are released in that pure environment, it is impurity, and they feel sad about it. But then what happens? They have to keep these things under control. It is not agreeable to the surrounding, it is not accepted by the family. So sadness after suppressed sexual desire. So this sexual desire to exhibit their energy, to exhibit their identity, when that gets suppressed, when their feelings are not accepted, when these acts are not allowed, so there is sadness. And then this kind of state goes on, wildness feeling in head from suppression of sexual desire. So this wildness goes in the head. Okay. Now these states of wildness going in the head, they want to connect, they leading to absent-mindedness, then they fulfill their desires at night. There are two rubrics. Mental exertion aggravate. This goes on and on. Suppose, just imagine a person doing a routine activity which he is not interested in the daytime. In the night time again he is exhausting in his energies. That is an overactive state of mind. And then when this goes on and on, their intellect is actually not able to function well. Any mental exertion, and it aggravates them. It is impossible. Crazy, owing to the impotence of his mind, seems to drive him crazy. So gradually it leads to an impotent state of mind where there cannot be further productive work done through him. Delusion, she must do something to get her mind rid of the torture which goes on, that I want to do this but this is not allowed, if I am doing it, it is again a sin. So then this goes on, these states. Actually I want to cover another shadow also. So all this can come in multiple facets. This remedy has got so many variety of facets. Delusion doomed being, if they commit those acts of pollution, if they go into fulfilling those kind of desires like alcoholism, okay, delusion doomed being, they feel that they have done something wrong. So sabse pehle, the first thing that comes up is remorse. A feeling of remorse is not just regret, but deeper than regret. Regret is something that I locked the house and I didn't take the key, and then I reached the clinic and I remembered, oh, how will I go and open the house now. So I feel a feeling of I have a regret that, oh, I should have checked my purse before leaving the house. So that is a small thing for which I have a regret, because I only suffered, I had to call a person who can break the lock and then open the door. So I spent on extra money, I spent on extra energy and wasted my time. So that is a regret on which I am suffering. Remorse comes when you are making some other person suffer. Now this kind of feeling comes in Medorrhinum when this turmoil which goes on in the head and it is not understood by other people. There is another polarity of Medorrhinum which might get exhibited when they see that environment is disagreeable. They can go into anger. Anger with asthmatic respiration where they cannot speak up what they want. Respiration is exchange of gases, exchange of ideas. So that is not happening. They are not able to express, environment is not able to perceive, and the person is seeking for more of life and more of oxygen. So there is anger in this situation, that why don't they just get it. Anger with respiration difficult. So again, that respiration where there has to be a mutual exchange of emotions, it is difficult. Such is the situation. Anger from contradiction, they don't, the ego of Medorrhinum is so strong. It comes in such various situations. Every time you will see an ego of Medorrhinum, I will not take it, I will not listen. Okay. Bed, refuses to go to bed. Behavior problem in children, like the boy I wanted to tell, that this boy was also something like this, that he was not able to accept what parents are saying, what is good for him. That overactivity was there in him, where he was just playing whole day, not wanting to do studies, and if parents are saying that you do studies, and he was not eating food well, he was losing out on weight, and when they speak about studying, and he would react like very badly. So such was a case of autistic girl, where because of the lockdown her all activities had come to a standstill. An autistic child definitely needs lot of environmental support. So her schooling had stopped, her extracurricular activity had stopped, everything, and she just had to be at home. She got so much involved with the mobile thing that every chat, every message, she would just and if she messaged somebody and if there is no reply, she would get very restless, and she would keep checking her mobile again, and oh, this person not replied, this person, and that would bring lot of agitation. In between that, if parents are saying something that you do this work, you do that work, she would not want to do it, she would yell like anything, and she started yelling so badly that they stay in a 5-story building, and everyone would come to know that she is yelling and she is in anger, and she would bite her mother, she would bite her father, she would bite herself in but more often her mother and father, because they are the ones who are telling her ki stop looking in your mobile, you comb your hair, you do cooking, you do something. She is a grown up girl and she would do all the daily household work, but she would not want to listen to them at all, and she would bite them, they would bleed. So much was the anger, behavior problem in children. Biting fingers is what? Finger is who are showing you the direction, that you go here, you do this, do that. They bite those people who are telling them to do things. Okay, biting hands. Hand is somebody who holds your hand, is your partner, is somebody from whom you seek support, and they are the ones who are holding her in her difficult times, and she is biting them. Biting nails, again it shows the timidity, the nervousness, the lack of confidence of the child. Biting nails in children has Medorrhinum. Breaking things, as we saw, character lack of. So those villainous characters in movies which become good people later on, who have done such violent acts in their life, cruelty to love to make people and animals suffer, for whom they have so much of sensitivity, but when they become angry with people, they will not care whether they love them or not, and they would just love to make them suffer. Animals, persons are rats, mice, insects. Detached sensation of being, when they are not getting them, they are not feeling attachment with them, they just completely break away, and you are separate, I am separate. Kill desire, sudden impulse to kill. Indifference to his religion, to what he had been following, he is just indifferent to them, not caring if he went to heaven or hell. Mutilating his body. So she had developed a wart in this time, and she would just keep on doing something till it bleeds, and if parents are shouting, she would do it more often. That fidgetiness was there, and mutilating his body, pulling his hair, desire to pull others' hair, Rage. Now rage is so much pull hair of bystanders, and reading, writing by, even when she reflects on those thoughts to what she is doing, also brings on rage. Rage followed by repentance. So repentance and regret, they are two stages of a person. Now regret is what, when we feel, as I told, I forgot the keys, regret. Now they are saying rage followed by repentance, and then comes a feeling of remorse. So when they do all this stage of Medorrhinum, it comes as an impulse. They do all the destructive things, all the violent acts, and then they feel that I have done something wrong. So regret is when you had to suffer for something and you feel I will just make correction. Remorse is when you have hurt other person's feeling, and this remorse can be a temporary thing, or it can be a very long lasting phenomena. Like suppose a girl ran away from her house, and she carried that remorse with her, that I did not meet my parents, I did not make them happy, and she carries that remorse years after years, and she had kids, she's become a granny, but then she carries the remorse even after years, that I should not have hurt my parents, I did a very bad thing. So remorse is when others have to suffer because of your act, and then you feel very anguished by that pain is there inside you. And then after that remorse, there is a feeling of being doomed, that now I have done this out of impulse, they did it, and then they feel that it's the end of the world. Die one was about to, something dreadful has happened, going to hell because of what he has done. He has committed a crime, and it is an unpardonable crime. Nobody is going to pardon me for that. One has sinned away his day of grace. I had so much good things to do, and it was God's grace on me that I was provided with everything, but what have I done? What did I do out of my impulse? He had committed an unpardonable crime and doomed being. And then they go into rage followed by repentance. Repentance meaning Medorrhinum will become a good Samaritan after doing all the wild acts, after doing all the violence in the world and troubling people. They go into repentance. They want to, repentance is when somebody acts on remorse, when a person feels remorseful and he wants to correct his bad actions that he did in the past by doing good actions. And then they go into praying constantly, even with the vomiting. So vomiting happens when you have taken in something disagreeable. Vomiting happens when you have taken, like suppose we do gastric lavage out when poisons are taken inside. So vomiting is something which makes you throw out the bad things or unaccepted things. So praying constantly is the way he does his repentance, that please there is a rubric, when he has to, 1 second, restlessness, clutching hands ameliorate. This is how he clutches hand, praying constantly, restlessness, clutching hands ameliorate, that please grant me something, that I am very sorry, please mama let it be, I did it in a fit of rage, mama please let it be, mama please forgive me, and I love you, I really love you. So this is how Medorrhinum child has that sensitivity inside. A person has that sensitivity, they plead guilty of what they have done. Praying constantly, even with the vomiting, even with what they are suffering, in that state also they are pleading to other, that just let go of me, grant me your good wishes. Rage followed by repentance, restlessness, clutching hand ameliorate, religious affections too occupied with. So they come into religious affections after they have a feeling of remorse, and then they again become committed to the. So these feelings, all these shades in Medorrhinum, they come in different stages, and they also can come collaboratively. One day a very wild person and one day a very good human being, and you won't come to know why this transition is happening, but this transition happens at the baseline with the feeling of being loved and feeling of being cared for and understood, and this is how every remedy at the baseline needs it. And this is the end of Medorrhinum. Hope you have liked it. Your comments mean a lot to me. It indicates how I am going and how I should go in future. Thank you so much. Do like, comment and subscribe. Bye.